Hey friends, it's Bev from Momo B Diamond Paints. If you're new here, subscribe and join the hive, and then you can see future videos when I do post them. I do upload new videos on a weekly basis. Today I want to go over some of the snack size diamond paintings that I've done, and by snack size I just mean smaller diamond paintings other than like the small, I guess smaller than 50 by 50. So what better way to start this off than by showing this coronavirus one. This one I think I am going to frame. It was really fun to do. It measures 40 by 40 and is 26 colors. As you can see, it's really sparkly, and this one, again, like I mentioned before, was fun to do. There's some color blocking with a little bit of confetti, but mostly it was color blocking. And I don't know, I really like this one because I think it just sums up the year perfectly. This was one that I got from Amazon, so I can't even read my own writing. On the backs of these snack size paintings, I usually put where I purchased it from, just in case I want to know that. But I do have that information also stored in my diamond painting logbook. This is a little desert scene. I do like the night sky. It was a lot of color blocking. I love this shooting star. I think this is supposed to be the moon, but don't quote me on that. It measures 40 by 30 and is 23 colors. This one was just to tide me over while I waited for more diamond paintings to arrive. And here is a black cat. You'll notice in these little snack size paintings, I do have a lot of black cats because I have a black cat and I love him, and I like doing diamond paintings and pretending that it is him, like in the diamond painting. So this is a black cat, and my black cat also has his ear clipped, and I know that this is probably just at an angle, like it's drawn on an angle, but I like to pretend this is his ear that's clipped, and I like to pretend it's my little cat Kenzu. This is mounted on foam core. You'll see in a previous video I did where I mounted the a diamond painting on foam core, because then you don't have to buy a frame or an artist canvas for that, and you can just lean it up against a wall and display it that way. I don't remember where this is from, probably Fan Sales or Everyday E-Deals. This is a peacock that I did, and this is from Amazon. And this was one I did while I was waiting for other ones to arrive, just other diamond paintings to arrive, just to tide me over. I ended up sealing this one. I don't know if you can actually tell, but it is sealed. I used, what did I use? I used this glue to seal it, and it turned out pretty well. From far away it's really nice, but up close there's just no detail at all. It is because it's a small image. This, oh my god, this is the first diamond painting I ever did, and you can see there's like some lint or something stuck in here. But this actually took me weeks to complete because I did part of it and then I forgot about it. And because it's so small, what I did when I first received it, I took off the plastic cover entirely, and I did all like it color by color. So I did like one orange, and I went through and did all the orange, and then I went through and did all the black, that type of thing, and then I did the white border last, and that was when I discovered what the pen was that came with my kit, with like, it looked like a little shovel sort of, or a little rake, and I was like, oh my god, this is actually like, you can put more than one drill down at a time. So I discovered the multi-placer, and I like this one. From far away it looks cute, but up close it's like, I don't know, a gong show. This is from an app called Top Hatter, and Top Hatter basically has stuff that you can find on AliExpress and eBay. But what you do with the app is you bid $1, and then you either keep getting outbid, but once you stop getting outbid, that's how much you're paying. It was an okay app, but I found like they try to balance out the cost of the product with shipping, so it was kind of a waste of doing that, and I could just go on AliExpress and buy it for whatever price that was listed. I didn't have to fight with anyone to get the actual product itself. But this one was really cute, and I'm proud of it because it's my first one. This is a partial of an anime girl that I did. And you can see her face in the background isn't drilled. It's just her body, her hair, and her flowers that she's holding. And this one, I believe, I actually did seal as well with that Mod Podge gloss that I just showed the bottle of. This one is, yeah, this one's also sealed. And what I did was, when I sealed it, I was just testing things out. I actually also sealed, I also put the glue on the canvas part too. So it's nice that you can't even tell that there's glue down on the canvas itself. This one I did for Drills and Chills this year. Nightmare Before Christmas. I like this one. It was really fast to do. You can imagine with all the color blocking and stuff. It is such a small image that the details aren't there. This one I just ordered from Amazon, I believe. Yeah. And it's a 30 by 40 and it has 18 colors. So that's just a fast one. And a drill just came loose. Where's my pen? Bear with me. This drill is running away from me. Ooh. There. The drill just came loose. Obviously, this one's not sealed. Another black cat one. I think this one is so pretty, but I feel like it could have had more detail in it. But this is a 30 by 30 partial, and you can see just the cat itself, and its collar is the part that's drilled. And this was 7 colors, so really simple. I do like how they didn't try and like highlight the nose and the eyes in white or anything like that, and they just used like a very dark gray to do it. So there is some texture to the cat, as you can see, and I think it's cute. I really like butterflies, and I like black cats, and I like moths, and that's my thing. Another black cat. This is a 30 by 40 and it was 19 colors. This cat is so cute. He's just sitting there enjoying the moonlight. This was a really fast one to do, but I don't know, for some reason I had so much fun doing this one. Like, it was actually really enjoyable doing this one. Lots of color blocking, but I think it turned out really cute, especially for the size. This Rick and Morty one is a gong show. I did it because my boyfriend really likes Rick and Morty, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a diamond painting for him. But really, I didn't give it to him. It just kind of sits in the pile of diamond paintings I have completed. It measures 30 by 40 and it's 22 colors. So you can see up close the detail isn't there. That's supposed to be Pikachu, and it's supposed to be Rick and Morty Pokemon. So up close, it's really like messed up and very pixelated, but from far away, it's not so bad. This is a cosmic cat that I did. This one is from Everyday E-Deals. And this was 24 colors, and it measures, it doesn't say how much it measures. Probably 30 by 30, I'd imagine. Yeah, let's go with 30 by 30. This one is really sparkly. And again, this one had lots of color blocking. It was fun to do. I really like the cat's face. It's really cute. This one I like to call Orange Girl. This one is sealed with that Mod Podge gloss that I showed you. So this is a square one. And this one was horrible. Like, it turned out really nice, but it's horrible square drills. There's like, I can still like run my hand over it, and even though it's sealed, like, I can still feel popping drills, which is why I'm happy that I ended up sealing it so that the drills aren't popping off the canvas so easily. But this one measures 30 by 30. I feel like that's wrong. I think this one measures 30 by 40. I don't know. It seems really big. But here's the thumbnail of how it's supposed to turn out. Oh, 30 by 39. Yeah, so 30 by 40. Oh, I can't read properly because the tape is over it. 30 by 39 centimeters. And it was, I don't know how many colors because I don't want to count them, but it looks like it was like 30 colors or something like that. So the detail in her eye is great. Here's the orange. Her face turned out really great, I think, and from far away it looks really nice. Up close it's not that pixelated or anything, but I think she turned out really nice. I like her. And this is from AliExpress. Yep, AliExpress. This is the last one I'm going to share with you guys. This is from Home Fun. Did I write it? No. This is from Home Fun. It's just like this really silly skeleton hanging out in a pond with turtles and wearing a rose crown with roses, and then there's like ducks flying by or whatever. I really like how this one turned out. I don't know why, like the skeleton just makes me laugh because it's like, what is he doing? Why is he hanging out in a pond or a lake or whatever this is? But this measures 45 by 45, and I don't know how many colors it was. I'm guessing like 40, 45 maybe. Can't really tell. It's a round diamond painting. Here's some detail in his face. And yeah, I really like this one. It was color block, lots of color blocking, not a lot of confetti. And again, he just makes me smile looking at him because, like, what are you doing, dude? But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Those were my snack size paintings. I do have more just around the house, but I was too lazy to go and grab them. Believe me, they're nothing special. They're just really cute, which is why I put them up. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, please, or the thumbs up button, I should say. And if you want to join the Hive, totally all you have to do is hit subscribe, and then you can keep up with my videos, which I upload new ones on a weekly basis. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!